pegboard is great to have on any garage wall.
But to make it work properly, you have to put wooden cleats around the back, as I did here. These 1x2 cleats, so it's off the wall and you have room to put the hooks in. But ordinarily, the 1x2 goes all the way around it, and then you have to lift up the entire pegboard and hang it on the wall. I found a much easier way to install it. I took a 1x4 and I set a table saw blade to 45 degrees and I bevel ripped it into 2 pieces. And I took the first piece and I screwed it to the wall. This is about 7 feet off the ground, nice and level, and I drove the screws into the studs. Then you take the second piece and you screw it to the back of the pegboard, and then it just sits right on there and holds up the whole panel. So what we need to do is take this and slide it underneath here.
Okay.
Put it nice and flush with the top, and then just hold it in place with 3 or 4 screws. And the great thing about this technique is it allows you to very easily not only install the pegboard, but then take it off the wall if you ever need to patch or paint the wall behind it.
And it has to be a good, strong installation because you have the screws going straight into the studs, plus this is supported all the way across the top
And
here.
watch how easy it is to install. You just slide it on. Perfect. And if you ever wanted to make it blend in with the wall more, you can just roll on a coat of paint.